The name you have on the case and who I am, it's two different people.
You want to smile about it and laugh about it? Take him back. We'll call him out later. Take him back. You keep laughing. You laugh one more time, that's 30 days. Go contempt. Look it up. I'm not threatening you. Say one more word.
Alright guys, this is one of the most intense course hearings you'll ever see. The sovereign citizen in this video, 0 to 3,333 seconds, is by far one of the most smug and rude ones we've ever seen on this channel. He just will not shut up, and honestly at 04141 second seems like he's begging to go to jail almost. The judge absolutely destroys him every time. Sovereign citizens think they're above the law, but that doesn't 04949 seconds fly in court. Let me know what you guys think about this guy in the comments below, and if you enjoy content like this, hit that like button, and subscribe. Let's 05656 seconds go ahead and dive in here.
Some confusion.
What's the confusion?
I stated multiple times on the record that I wish to represent myself.
Well, I thought we got rid of that issue last.
I thought so too. I spoke to this gentleman right here and expressed my wish to represent myself as well.
All right. Well, if he doesn't want you, we'll figure that out in a moment. So, Mr. Styron, we're going to go through this again. What do we want to do in this case? You understand what you charged with, sir?
I understand what the charges are against me, yeah.
Okay, look, you're going to have to give me straightforward answers to my questions, because I've got to make sure that you understand certain things. I got to do certain things here.
From my understanding,
you understand, first of all, that if you do indeed direct, you want to smile about it and laugh about it, take him back. We'll call him out later. Take him back. You keep laughing. You laugh one more time, that's 30 days. Go.
That was quick. I gotta say, I really love the way Judge Simpson handles these. Sovereign citizens 2 to 112 minutes, 11 seconds is always so no nonsense, and I'm here for it though. But seriously, what do these sovereign citizens even expect to happen here? Does this dude actually want 2 to 192 minutes? 19 seconds though, go to jail, because it seems like he actually does. He's literally just sitting there laughing and smiling, like this is some kind of joke. It really just 2 to 272 minutes. 27 seconds makes no sense though, like no court case has ever been won here, being a sovereign citizen, so honestly, I just don't really. 2 to 352 minutes. 35 seconds to understand the whole movement of these idiots here. If anybody can explain it to me and why they're doing this, because there's just no way. They're going to win 2 to 422 minutes. 42 seconds, but let's go ahead and see.
My name is Thomas Styron. Living man.
Mr. Styron, you are before the court. You have elected to represent yourself. I do have to advise you that you have 3 counts against you. First count is that of fleeing and eluding 3rd degree under the Motor Vehicle Code. Do you understand the nature of that charge, sir?
This is under the assumption that you're compelling me to identify as Thomas York Styron, the legal entity on this case.
I believe that you are. Do you understand the nature of the charge, sir?
I don't understand how the name you have on the case and who I am, it's two different people.
I have a complaint, Thomas Styron II. Do you understand that that individual is charged with fleeing and eluding 3rd degree?
So,
do you understand the nature of that charge? You just need to answer my question.
For the record,
take him back, and when he decides he wants to cooperate, we'll bring him back, maybe. I'm not threatening you. Say one more word, and that's 30 days. 30.
Boom. This guy really does not want to have 4 to 234 minutes. 23 seconds. Insane. Freedom does. He totally deserved that 30 days of contempt. Like, what did he think was going to happen? Here you for 304 minutes. 30 seconds can even see Judge Simpson and all. His noon's glory. Give this idiot a chance to answer his question, and he still blew why. Pi minutes. 37 seconds. It's like this guy is allergic to common sense. Or something. If you guys have any idea in the comments below, let me know what you guys think. This guy's for 454 minutes. 45 seconds goal is because I just can't understand it now. Let's see what he has to say as he comes back for the 3rd time.
A second. Styron, you are before the court on a felony complaint that does allege count 1. And I'm going to presume, since you do not want to answer the court's questions, that you understand English and understand what I'm saying. You are before the court on 3 charges. Count 1 is the charge of fleeing and eluding 3rd degree. Under the Michigan Motor Vehicle Code, that is a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration or $1,000 fine plus court cost, and would require the Secretary of State to suspend your license for up to 1 year upon conviction. Count 2 is assaulting, resisting, and obstructing a police officer. That is a felony or high court misdemeanor punishable by up to 2 years incarceration and or a $2,000 fine plus court cost. Count 3 is a misdemeanor offense of operating with a license suspended, denied, and or revoked. That is a misdemeanor as indicated, punishable by up to 93 days, $500 fine plus court cost. Your vehicle could be subject to a mobilization. Since you refused previously to answer my acknowledgement as to whether you understand that, I will assume that you understand what you're charged with. You are also entitled to be represented by counsel at this and all subsequent proceedings. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney would be provided at public expense to represent you in this matter. You are entitled, as indicated, to be represented at this proceeding, all subsequent proceedings, including your preliminary examination, and if the matter were to proceed by trial, you would be entitled to counsel. It is, as we have gone through previous proceedings, the court's understanding that you do not wish to be represented by counsel, and that this matter will then proceed forth with you representing yourself. I have to advise you that in representing yourself, the court will make the presumption that you understand the Michigan court rules, those regarding both procedure and those regarding evidence. The court will not be providing any legal assistance to you during the course of those proceedings and will hold you to the same standards that I would hold an attorney representing or practicing before this court. So, with all of that, and with the court's understanding that you do not want to be represented by counsel, I will set this matter for its next proceeding.
You understand I'm the
That will-
beneficiary, not the trustee, right?
That will be the preliminary examination. I will set the preliminary examination. Has discovery been provided to the defendant?
Your Honor, he was previously represented by the public defender. I don't know if they turned over the paperwork to him.
Does anybody from the public defender's office know whether or not the defendant has been provided discovery? Mr. Odetella. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Your Honor, we have the discovery. I've not been able to share that discovery with Mr. Steyer, and I tried to speak with him and go over it, but I'd be happy to turn that over to him at the first available.
All right, if you would either turn that over to the court officer so that they can provide that to Mr. Steyer so that he has the discovery, and if you could do that today, I would appreciate it.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm setting the preliminary examination. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
The people would have their witnesses available June 11th. Set this matter for preliminary examination in person, June 11th, 2024, 9 a.m. That is before me. Defendant, as was leaving the courtroom the last time, the court did find the defendant in contempt, sentenced him to 30 days. The defendant will serve that sentence. The court will sign the judgment sentence regarding the contempt.
I don't understand how that's possible. Like I said, I'm
So
the
first of
man,
all,
I'm the
watch your
beneficiary.
language.
You're treating me as if I'm the trustee, or I don't want to partake in any trust fraud or anything like that. Is this a QVA trust matter involved in this? Is my social security number attached to this at all? Go figure.
Styron, whoever you wish to be addressed as, I'd suggest that you watch yourself because there's going to be more time coming. You keep it up.
You're
You will
presuming that
you
there's
will
some sort of
learn how
due
to conduct yourself appropriately in these proceedings in this courtroom and before me. You will not, in any manner whatsoever,
You're trying to
disrespect
compel me
me
to be somebody I'm not.
or this institution.
You have no evidence
It will
to
not
prove
happen.
that I'm Who will you say I
You
am?
will not talk to me in that fashion.
In what fashion?
Guys think this. Guy 10 to 2,210 minutes. 22 seconds there's more than 30 days in contempt, honestly. I do. I was half expecting Judge Simpson to just slap him with another 3,010 to 2,910 minutes. 29 seconds D's for those rude comments at the end. Like how far can you push your luck in one? Hearing you've got to admit though, this sovereign citizen has some serious 10 to 3,810 minutes. 38 seconds balls he came into the courtroom, armed with all of his BS theories and refused to back down no matter how ridiculous he 10 to 4,510 minutes. 45 seconds sounded. I mean sure he might have the IQ of a squirrel, but he's got balls, and I'll give him that this case is just 10 to 5,310 minutes. 53 seconds Sanither, example of how not to act in court. Judges literally have the authority to hold people in contempt to keep order, and you're not going to win a PA minutes. 1 second any arguments by disrespecting them, that's for sure. If anything, this guy's attitude shows how important it is to know your rights and the law, but like a pi minutes, 9 seconds actually know them, not the mad-up version. Sovereign citizens believe in watching Judge Simpson handle him was both frustrating and oddly satisfying at a EA minutes. 18 seconds, the same time you really don't see judges handle sovereign citizens like Judge Simpson did. He was really good in this one, and I think he handled 11 to 2,711 minutes. 27 seconds this one perfectly. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Did this guy deserve more time, or was 30 days enough? Let me know in the comments, and don't. 11 to 3,511 minutes. 35 seconds. Forget to like and subscribe. If you guys want more content like this, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.